friends, welcome to today's how-to. Today we'll be learning how to draw Durple from Incredibox Sprunki. So first we're going to get started with the eyes in the middle, and on the right hand side we're going to start by drawing in a nice big circle for our right eye. We're going to move over on the left hand side, lining this up at the exact same height, and we'll just replicate that, leaving a small gap in the center. Now in the middle of both eyes, we're just going to draw in a straight line that comes directly across towards the other side. And then as we move underneath, we're going to draw in a half circle. For the mouth, we're going to draw in a straight line from left to right as we come down in the middle. Let's move up now for the eyebrows. On the right hand side, we're going to curve this line down. We'll move over on the left, lining that up at the same height and replicate that. Now we're going to draw in the spikes on top of the head. So coming up above our eyebrow, we're going to curve this line around and then up. And then we're going to line this up at the same height on the left hand side and replicate that. On our inside line now, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards the right. And we'll do the same thing, bringing this over and out towards the left. Now from this point on the top, we're going to bring this diagonal line all the way down and then in on the left. And then we'll do the same thing as we bring this over and in on the right. Now we're going to close off the head by drawing in a nice big circle. So connecting the two spikes together, we're going to draw in a curved line from left to right on the top. Now on both sides, we're going to arch this line around and then in towards the middle, creating half of our circle. And then we're going to replicate that on the right, arching this line around, blending that in on the bottom. Now for the ears on the top, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out on both sides. We'll do the same thing on the bottom. And then now from here, we're just going to connect this on the top, arching this down towards the bottom on the left, as well as on the right. Now for the body on the left-hand side, we're going to draw in a diagonal line that comes out towards the bottom. And then we'll do the same thing on the right, ending that so it's at the same height. And then we're just going to close this off with a straight line from left to right. And that is it. That's how you draw Durple from Incredibox Sprunki. You can pause the video and color it the way that I have done, or you can change your colors up if you'd like. If you enjoyed today's video, please hit that thumbs up button and subscribe to the channel, and also drop a comment below suggesting any more characters that you'd love to learn to draw next. Thanks so much for joining me on today's tutorial, and I will see you all on the next one.